Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you on how you can be able to split your WhatsApp screen like this, as simple as ABCD. Keep on, just watch this video from beginning to the end.
And to do that, open your phone settings. Okay, now follow this step. Now go down and look for about phone. You see about phone here. Okay, tap on this about phone 7 times. Okay, to release this developer option. When you tap on it 7 times, it will release this developer option. I've done mine. That is the reason why you're seeing this developer option. After that, click on this developer option. When you click on this developer option, now come on the search bar here. Don't click on any of all these features. Now tap on this search bar. Come here and type minimum width. You see this minimum width? That is what you need to type. Okay, type it this way. After typing it, it will bring you to this one where you see minimum width on this developer option. Now you tap on it again. When you tap on it, it will take you. Okay, I'm not the one scrolling. Okay, it's my phone that is scrolling. That's the same way it's going to scroll and take you to where you see this maximum width down here. Okay, now tap on this maximum width. It will bring you to this interface. Your own will have a number here, like my own is 360. Your own will have this number, okay, 360, like my own 360. Now what you need to do is just to remove it from this 360 and put 650. You see this? Type 650 this way and now click OK. Immediately you click OK. Now watch. Let me take you now immediately to that WhatsApp. Now just watch me. On WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp now. You see the magic. Let me unlock my WhatsApp. Look at it now. Immediately you can see all the contact here. You can see all my contacts. Okay, for you guys that you use also to doubt it, I have messages that myself, even all my crew members, cannot even finish open, because every day I'm getting more than 1,000 messages on WhatsApp. That's the reason why I don't used to attend all of it, and people will be blaming me. I don't sleep attending to messages. Look at messages here, guys. Look at where will I start in attending to all these messages. Okay, now let me not deviate from what I'm saying. You see, it have arranged your contact one side. Anyone you want to open down, tap on it. When you tap on it, it will open the chat one side. Look at this one. It will open the chat one side. Look at this one. Just anyone you want to open, it will open the chat one side. You have your contact one side while your chat will be one side. You can see, okay, if I want to open another one, I will tap on it. My chat will be one side. That's how to do that. It's as simple as ABCD. And this is just very sweet. Why? Because you have all your contact by the side and all the conversation of that person. Anyone you want to put, you see the chat of that person by the what? By the right, while your contact is by the left. That's how to do that. It's very, very simple. Now, somebody will ask you, how can we remove it after that? How can we remove it after that? It's simple. Go to your settings again, do the same thing, change that number to 360. Change it to 360, it will return to normal. That is how to remove it. It's not magic, and there is no any other thing you can do rather to do that. When you change it to 360, you remove it. Remember, what I change it is 650. What I put it is on 650, and that is the reason why I achieve this interface. If you want to change it to normal interface, put it to 360, you will achieve that. Thank you so much for watching.
If you find it useful, please click the share button. Share it massively for people to benefit from it.